Hi, myself M. Jinita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada, College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are seeing about the SQL commands. In SQL commands, we are going to see DML, DCL, TCL. DML, Data Manipulation Language. In this, we have insertion, selection, updation and deletion. We saw already insertion and selection. Now we can see update. What is update? This command is used to select or update the existing data in a table. Next, delete. This command is used to delete one or all the existing record from the table. Update statement. The update statement is used to update existing record in a table. Once data has been inserted into a table in the database, we can access individual attributes to update them. The syntax for updating is update space table name space set space column 1 is equal to value 1, column 2 is equal to value 2, etc. We can update any number of columns. Then space var space some column is equal to some value. We can specify the condition in the var cluster. The var cluster specify which record or records that should be updated. If we omit the var cluster, all records will be updated. Example for update statement. Update student details, set date of birth is equal to 7 March 2000, where register number is equal to 10,001. If we enter this command means, it will show the result you have made change to the database. Rows affected is 1. So, for the student who have the register number, the 10,001 date of birth is changed to 7 March 2000. Next, we can see delete statement. The delete statement is used to delete rows in a table. Syntax for it is delete space from space table name where some condition column condition. So the var cluster specify which record or records that should be deleted. If we omit the var cluster, all records will be deleted, like update command. Example for delete statement. Delete space from space student details where register number is equal to 10,004. So while entering this statement, the register number with 10,004 is deleted. So you can see the result after deleting that particular record. Data control language, that is DCL, is the part of SQL. The DCL is used to access the stored or saved data. It is mainly used for revoking and granting user access on a database. In the Oracle database, this language does not have the feature of rollback. It is the part of SQL. Data control language commands. DCL have two commands, that is grant and revoke. Grant. This command allows user access privilege to the database. Revoke. This command remove the accessibilities of user from the database objects. Grant command. This command authorizes one or more user to perform an operation or a set of operations on an object. Let's see the example for grant command. Grant select update on my table to some user another user. By giving this command, you are giving permission to two users, that is some user and another user, for accessing the table, that is only view the content of the table and update the content of the table. Able to insert a new record or delete the data. Let's see the revoke statement. This command eliminates a grant which may be default grant. The example for revoke is revoke select comma update on my table from user 1 comma user 2. That is, this revoke command is get back the that is remove the accessibilities of the user from the database. Next language is transaction control language. Transaction control language is a language which manages transactions within the database. It is used to execute the changes made by the data manipulation language statements. Transaction control language commands are commit, save point, and rollback. Commit. This command used to save the transaction in the database. Syntax for this is COMMIT, commit. This statement will save the transaction permanently into the database. Next, save point. Saves the state of the database at the current point in transaction. Syntax for this is save point space save point name. We can give any name for saving that particular point. Next is rollback. This command is used to restore the database to that state which was last committed. Syntax for this is rollback. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I post other parts of this in description. Watch that too.